Good day everyone, how you doing? Welcome back to our channel and it is very happy to see you again into another video. So in this video or in this time, I'd like to show you how to separate this every single item such as the date, month, year, time from this data into the partial. How can I do that? Well, in this section or in this time, I would like to use the text function. How can I do that? Just let's get into it. So the first step, since I would like to know about the date and separate from this data, I will put my cursor into the cell of C4 and I will type equal and after that I will type text, give it the single click and it will show you the parentheses automatically. And after that, click the search or the references and give it a comma. After that, the quotation mark. Since we would like to know about the date, and we see here that the date consists or contains two number 21. So we will type DD because the date contains two number. This is the almost the final look if we will type the formula correctly. And almost there, we will type the quotation mark and wrap it up with the parentheses and enter. There you go. And what if I have a lot of data here? We can actually drag the data from this cell or we can give it a double click. For example, give it a double click on the corner on the circle here. And there you go. This is the look, guys. And what if I would like to know about the month and separate it from this format? It is actually the same. Type text, open parentheses, click this search, and then give it a comma. And as we know that we would like to know or separate the date the month from this format, but it is in numerically. So we will type the quotation and also that means the month, and the quotation again, and the close parentheses, and enter. And also click this cell and give it a double click on the corner. There you go. The month of 5, it means the May. Next, I would like to know about the year. It is the same way, guys. Type equal text, and after the open parenthesis is open or it is appeared here, and click the source and give it a comma, open quotation, and we will type. Since we know that the year contains four numbers 2025, then we will type the letter of Y 4 times and close it with the quotation mark and wrap it up with the parentheses and enter. There you go. It's already separated from this format. And the last step is separate the time from this format. Text equal text. And after that, click this search or this reference, give it a comma, and give it the quotation mark. Since we would like to know the time, then we will follow the format here. This is the hours and this is the minute. So we will type H the colon and also the minute MM and the quotation mark and also the parentheses and enter and give it a double click to get the all of the data here. There you go. This is the way how to use the text format or text function in Google Spreadsheet. Well, you can actually try it on the Microsoft Excel and let us know if this function also works for you guys. So I hope this video helpful for you, and if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.